Hi everybody, my name is Dan and welcome to my kitchen for another quick episode of Man Cake. Today we're going to be tackling maple glaze. It's going to go perfect for any kind of donut or brownies or cake or waffle cake that's coming up soon here on Man Cake. It's going to be real quick, it's going to be delicious, it's perfection. You guys are going to love it. All the ingredients and the directions are going to be down below in the description along with that subscribe button. So if you click that and ring the bell, you can stay up to date on brand new recipes every week. Now to get started, let's grab a mixing bowl and add in 2 cups of powdered sugar and 3 tablespoons of heavy cream. And with our hand mixer, we're going to beat these 2 ingredients until they're both really well incorporated. And once mixed, we're going to add in a half cup of delicious maple syrup. One of my guilty pleasures. I love it so much. And then back in with our hand mixer and mix until everything's really combined and our glaze is just nice and smooth. And just like that, you have delicious, perfect maple glaze. Now, if you want your glaze a little thinner, you can always add more heavy cream to kind of really thin it out. If it's too thin, you want to maybe make it a little bit thicker, add more powdered sugar. Until either way, until you get that right consistency that you're looking for whatever delicious treat you're making in your kitchen. Well, that's all I have for you this week. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below. And if you end up using this perfect maple glaze in your kitchen, let me see what you're baking and give a tag on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter or any of the social places. And until next week, bye.